Hello everyone, this is Amanda coming to you with a quick video about the Power Lead system. For those that don't know, I'm a single mom of two and I've been utilizing this system since September of 2017, earning a full-time income and showing others exactly how to do the same. So I've had some people on my team request information on how do you accept payment through the Power Lead system. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. With the Power Lead system, they pay out every single Wednesday, okay? And depending on how you accept your payments, it can take 24, 48 hours, no more than 72 hours, okay? And so far from my experience, I've been getting paid within every 24 to 48 hours from the day of Wednesday, every single Wednesday. So when Wednesday come around, I can expect payment either the next day or the following day, okay? The Power Lead system has been around for 10 years, and we have a ton of people that are earning six figures using the system. Power Lead system is a way to promote your business opportunity. And if you don't have one, you can promote the Power Lead system. They have different levels where you get paid different commissions. And the commission levels, you have the gold level, which is $53 monthly payment, and you're going to receive unlimited $20 commissions. That's a residual income. At the diamond level, it's a one-time payment of $147. You're going to earn unlimited $100 commissions. The platinum level is a one-time payment of $497. You're going to earn unlimited $400 commissions. And the Master Traffic Institute, which is trainings by 6- and 7-figure earners, is going to allow you to earn $1,000 commissions, and you make a one-time payment of $1497. Okay, so with that said, we're going to go ahead and get started now. In order for you to accept a payment through Power Lead system, you have to have your payment information connected and set up properly, and you have to have actually received the payment from the Power Lead system. So sometimes people are looking to set up the payment, but they haven't actually started making any payments. There's about a 2-week lag before you actually start receiving the payments. But after that 2-week lag, you do get paid every single Wednesday. If you go into your account here, you go into the Power Lead system. I'm going to just log in from the beginning. Okay, put in my password. So when you come in, you're going to get information about the Master Traffic Institute and what you're going to actually get. Being a part of the Master Traffic Institute, you can click down here and it gives you information about it. It's a brand new product. It's been out for a couple of weeks, but people are excited about it because it's giving people the opportunity to literally put their traffic on autopilot, literally. So right now I have $3,185 that I can transfer into my bank account. That's how much I made over the last couple of weeks. And what you want to do is click on account. You want to click on e-wallet. Now, when you click on e-wallet, if none of this information comes up, that means that you have not yet received a payment through the Power Lead system. If you have not received the payment through the Power Lead system, you cannot set up your payment details, okay? This information is not going to show up. Once you start receiving payments and you start making commissions, this information will show up for you to basically check all of the commissions that you earned, okay? So if I click here, I can see all of the commissions that I have earned from every single week being in this program. Going up to the beginning, when I first started, September of 2017, not that many payments, $32, $112, but as you can see in October, $500 payments, $200 payments in November, $1,000 payments, $800, $900. December, I started to hit the $1,000 payments per week, and same thing for January, okay? So all you have to do is click that button. It's going to take you so that you can see all of the commissions that you earn every single week from the people that are a part of your downline, okay? If you want to see the people that signed up with you, all you need to do is go into, give me a second here, go into account, prediction report, and this is going to show you, I'm not going to show you all this information because that's people's personal information on it. This is people's personal information. but here it will show you all of the people that signed up with you as a gold member, a PLS sale, a diamond member, a platinum member, a Master Traffic Institute member, a lead lightning, and a $7 buyer. So you can see all of this information of the people that sign up with you from the traffic that you're running by logging in here. And how you get to that, you go under account and prediction report. That's where that information is included, okay? So going back here to your e-wallet, what you're going to do is basically, we have sent you an email. It's gonna give you the option to get the email once you have a payment. Once you go ahead and you request that information to be sent to you, it's going to come in your email address, whatever email address you have connected to your Power Lead system. If you don't see it in your inbox, you want to go to your junk or spam folder. Okay, and there you should have information on activating your e-wallet. Okay, your Paylution affiliate ID is this number here. If you do not see this information here, you can always get your affiliate ID here at the Getting Started area. If you scroll all the way down, at the bottom of the page on the Getting Started, your referral ID. This is the same thing. This number right here is your affiliate ID, okay? So we're gonna go back here into Accounts, e-wallet. And then it tells you if you're unable, if you're having problems, once you have a payment and you can't set it up correctly, you have a phone number and they have a support team 24/7. You send them the information and they will get back to you and they will help you out. So you can reach them here. You can log into your account here. I'm sorry. This is where you log in once you activate your account, when you receive that email from them directly from Paylution. If you're unable to log in, you can contact them here or you can give them a phone call, okay? And they have the worldwide number. So there's 3 ways you can contact them, and the information here, right under e-wallet, to get situated and have your information set up for you to get paid, okay? So that's basically it. That's how to get to it, how to look up the people that sign up with you. Remember, for each person that signs up with you, you're going to get their email address and their phone number. You can reach them both ways to introduce yourself. I like to send out a text message and an email, okay? So this is what I want to share with everyone. And if you want more information about this product, about the Power Lead system, my information is in the description below. You can reach out to me. I have a phone number and email there as well, and my Facebook information. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Have a great day.